This is the new O-ring I bought from eBay. You see there's a couple of small rings on it. Just put that one there. Okay, now we need to remove the old one. Be gentle with this one because there you go. Get that? Looks like it's now really, oops, very tiny one. Compared to this one. We'll see. There you go. Stay there. Go closer. We already put that one there. Okay. Move that. So I put some nappy wipes underneath so that it doesn't leak. Now we're going to put it back. I was thinking about putting two of them. What if we put two of them? Okay. Anyway, we will try it. Try this one's. That's lock. That's went in. Now we're gonna put this lock on it. Okay, need to push that really hard. Push that really hard. There you go. Now it's locked. And that's how you change it. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?